Gon' vote. Everybody gon' vote. Everybody gon' vote. Everybody gon' vote. Comrade! Labor right, them a go down, bong. Them a go down, bong. Them a go down. Is that? Margie, him a God picking. No hope their work if you touch Margie. Margie, him a God picking. No hope their work if you touch Margie. We now vote for Labour. Orange we a come out in now. If you love the PNP, who no step out for Marky G. Jamaica just come along with we. People time come, people time come, people time is up.
Only thing that's on my mind is who's gonna run this town tonight.
Yeah, I say that we are. Pledge your allegiance.
Who's gonna run this town tonight?
Yeah, I say that we
We gonna run this town.
Make the trumpets play. Make the trumpets play.
Christopher Tough Tongue, Orius Chink, and the list goes on. Say we no fear them, no we always cure them. When God people talk them in a problem. Talk your mind, no afraid fi expose them. Like a cow in a them knows we a go bore them, so we control them.
What I like for no one thing here. Yeah. But I really like for no one to think. But Nigel Clark, somebody can carry Nigel Clark to Bellevue making a taking joke. Somebody can bring Nigel Clark to Bellevue making a taking joke. A matter of fact, you know, the PM and Nigel Clark and the security minister and the health minister and the whole of them, you know, need to go play politics in a Bellevue, you know, institution, you know. The whole lot of them need to go play politics in a Bellevue institution. Or we take them off of Jamaica and put them over Goat Island. Them need to leave Jamaica and go over Goat Island. You see what happened to the finance minister down in Gabon in Africa? Nigel Clark, all time people say, you know man, you have to use sleep and mark that, you know. When then you see the black people when wake up, Nigel Clark, you better start wake up too. Because not even the dog will piss up on the wall of Babylon shall escape the rat when him come to pour. Some of you was on subscribers. A matter of fact, you see the next video here. I want you to hear the sister here and tell me what you think. Hear this.
Now listen to Mr. Nigel Clark. Did you guys hear that? Him said the FID need employees over by SSL to properly investigate the fraud. Mr. Nigel Clark, let me call out your foolishness. The FID does not need one employee to ask one question to do the investigation because there is a paper trail. You're an accounts minister, accounts person, and numbers person. Go and tell that rubbish to somewhere else, not to the Jamaican economy. The FID needs to follow the money. And what the government of Jamaica should be doing to pay the employees over by SSL who took industrial action because they have not received salaries for August is liquidate the assets and make the people them get their money. Liquidate the assets that the people can get their money. Why is Jamaica being asked to foot this bill? This is not a concern of the Jamaican people. This is an official bill. We're not going to help to fund a company that is caught up in criminal activities. We're not supposed to be held responsible. We cannot be held accountable for fraud. So what comes in September when they file for industrial action in September? What are you going to do, Mr. Nigel Clark? Take out the next $14 million and pay them? Are you out of your goddamn mind? You're out of your mind? No. It is even deeper the question, what is the connection with the Jamaican government and SSL? Mr. Nigel Clark, me can't believe you. When you sit down and tell Jamaican people some foolishness like, I wonder what y'all say. The FID doesn't need one goddamn employee. All they need is to follow the money and to pay to pay the paper trails and to pay the staff, liquidate the assets. Jamaica is not into paying them for August, and then we're going to pay them September, and then we're going to pay them October, November, and December. We're not into it. Shut down the company and properly run an investigation. And there are certain people that will still be around, because if the company, the engine that caused the company to make money, if that engine is not there making any money right now, that it is in receivership, right? Then that means that all that was going on by SSL is a Ponzi scheme. And in using taxpayers' money, you are supporting the likes of a Ponzi scheme. What are you doing? Everybody know Ponzi scheme can rise back. What now do? Listen to me, brother. Go fix up shop. And Mr. Golden, where you're there as an opposition minister, where you do, how you sit down, sir? How do we block it? You must know. If your intention is to be the next Prime Minister of Jamaica, then you must know how to block this nonsense, because all that is required by the FID, the FBI, what them say involved, and all different kind of people what them say involved is to follow the money trail. If the FBI is involved, I don't trust the government of Jamaica. I don't trust none of you, because FSC can say that they were writing to you from when, stating that SSL was not upkeeping with financial reporting standards, and you are saying now that the scam and the fraud goes back to 10 years? How long the Labour government in power? So how long were they writing to you, Mr. Nigel Clark, for you to now come and say you are going to do what? You are going to pay what? It means that you are no longer acting on the behalf of the Jamaican people. You are now acting on the behalf of rich Jamaican uptown Kingston 6 society. And them you are act for. You're not acting on the behalf of the Jamaican people. Stop playing with Jamaica. SSL employees, please know that this video is not a battle against you guys. This video is a battle against corruption. Unless you deserve your money, they should liquidate the companies that owned by SSL and the managers and get the money so they can pay up all of the bill they will need to pay up. It is costing Jamaica the investment amount. The fee that is attached to pay all these people to investigate SSL is costing taxpayers enough. Why are we being asked to pay more? Are you crazy? FID only needs to follow the paper trail, follow the money. Anywhere money go, follow it. You can't last.
So Nigel Clark, you tell your boss but you did it. And he must say hope so you did nothing, man. Just take heed. I want to take place to the finance minister in Gabon. Just take heed. Because all in our mind, you know, I be a heed at the Jamaica, you know. But you know, go up for a surprise. I tell you, you know, you know, go up for a surprise. Because one time when the thing said peace and safety, a sudden destruction. My viewers and subscribers, when you don't know my motto, you know, a God and good road.